Hello! Today we'll be making a simple interaction system and a door system. Here we have 3 doors and 3 keys game objects with corresponding colors. We also have a simple player, a ground, and 3 empty pivot game objects. We will first place empty pivot objects where we want the door to rotate, just like in real life, the part that's fixed to the wall. You also need to parent the pivot to the door game object. Once that's done, we'll create a folder for the animations and animate the pivots. Go to the animation window, select one of your pivots, and press the Create button. Then you'll need to name your animation, in this case, Open and Close. Let's say the pivot's original rotation, when the door is closed, is 0. When you open it, its Y rotation will be either 90 or negative 90, depending on the opening axis. In the animation window, for these two animations, we'll add a transform rotation property. For the open animation, we'll set the rotation to 0 at frame 0 and negative 90 at frame 60. For the close animation, we do the opposite. Now, let's open the Animator controller. Here, we'll see the two animations we just made as states. The best thing to do is create a new empty state by right-clicking Create State. Right-click this new state and select Set as Initial State. Then, create 3 transitions. One from the empty state to open, one from open to close, and one from close to open. Next, create 2 trigger parameters, open and close. For each transition, when transitioning to the open state, add a condition using the open trigger. When transitioning to the close state, add a condition using the close trigger. Make sure to disable exit time on all transitions. Let's now add this animator controller on all our doors. Let's now add a door script to all our door game object. You don't need the green part yet. These are just comments for now, since we don't want the locked door system active. Now let's just fill the script references. You need to fill the parent pivot animator, an audio source, and 2 sound effects. Let's also add our player and interactor script. Let's now fill the interact source, the camera in our case, an interact layer, and a cursor. Don't forget to add the layer to all the objects we are going to interact with. For the cursor, just make a canvas and a child image, which will contain the cursor source image. Let's also disable the cursor for now. Let's now test it out. Everything should work fine apart from the locked system. Oops, I forgot to unloop the open and close animation clips. Great. Let's now make a key and locked system. First, set the isLocked bool to true on your door components. Add our keys a key script. Make it inherit from the iInteractable interface and add the interact method and call the takeKey method in it. Put back all the comments that we had in our door script to enable the locked system. Now, just fill in all the references. If you want a certain key to unlock a specific door, make sure the door ID is the same in both their components. Let's now test if it works. Here we go. Everything seems to be working fine. And instead of having thousands of lines of code, we used really small and simple scripts.